In a quiet forest lived a tiny bird named Sora. She dreamed of touching the sky, but fear always kept her wings low.
Sora, what is above the clouds?
A beautiful sunrise. Someday I'll show you.
She wanted to fly above the clouds, where the golden sunrise was born. But every time she tried, fear pulled her back.
I am all Kiko has. I must fulfill her wish. I want to fly, but I can't.
What are you doing? Nothing, just come, let's go play. Okay, let's go.
Then one terrible night, the storm took away everything and carried her little brother far above the place she feared most. When her heart was weakest, a wise crane appeared.
The sky belongs to those who dare.
But I'm afraid.
Then fly for someone you love.
But this time, Sora had something stronger than fear.
Kiko! I'm coming! Sora, help me! Sora!
I've got you!
It's beautiful.
We made it.
That day, Sora learned something the sky had always known. Those who rise for others never truly fall.